What is up, guys? Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of translating any video with the power of AI. Whether you are a content creator aiming for a global audience or an individual eager to explore diverse content, this video is your key to breaking language barriers. Hit the subscribe button, buckle up, and let's dive into the future of video translation together. Ready? Let's roll. To translate any video, we are going to use this AI tool called Rask AI. Now, it's a free AI tool to use, and you can translate your video into more than 130 plus languages. Now, to translate your video, click on Try it for free. It will ask you to sign up, so you can sign up with your Google account. So go ahead and sign up with your Google account. After creating an account, it will redirect you to this page. Here's where you'll be able to upload the video you'd like to translate. Click on Upload Video and choose the file you'd like to upload. Below it, you can choose the language you like to translate the video to. Now, over here, you'll be able to translate into all these languages. Now, let's translate our video into Hindi, and then click on Translate. Rask AI has translated our video. Let us sample it.
फिटनेस और अपनी यात्रा शुरू करते हुए अपने भीतर की शक्ति की खोज करें, जागने की कल्पना करें, ऊर्जावान महसूस करें, दिन जीतने के लिए तैयार हों। यह व्यायाम की शक्ति है।
Now, AI is not perfect. It may miss some parts of the video. Now, if you feel like the AI missed some parts of the video, you can go over here and edit the video how you'll want it to be. For example, and then after you're done, you can click on Save, and it will save changes, and then you can be able to redub the video. To download our video, just click on download over here. You can download either the video alone or the audio with voice only or subtitles alone. So I'll choose to download the video. Over here, you can choose whether you want to download the translated video or the original video. I want to download the translated video, and the video will be downloaded on my computer. Now, this is just one tool that you can use to translate a video. Now, the only limit with this one is just you can download only a video with a length of 20 minutes. There's another free tool that you can use to translate a video that allows videos with a much higher duration. The tool is called VoxCube. To translate a video, click on Localizer. Over here on Creators, click on Localizer. Then sign up with your Google account. Over here, you can drag and drop a video file like we did previously, or you can translate a YouTube or a TikTok video. Since we've done the first option of dragging and dropping a video and translating it using Rask AI, I'm going to use the second option of trying to translate a YouTube video. Now, let us head to one of our videos on YouTube and try and translate it. Let us copy the link of the video, copy, and then paste the link over here. Now over here, we are going to translate our video to one of these languages. Let us choose German and click on Mail and click on Continue. To listen to our video, just click on Play to hear if it translated our video.
Was ist los, Leute? Träumen Sie davon, fesselnde Anzeigen zu erstellen, die Aufmerksamkeit erregen und zu Ergebnissen führen? Nun, keine Angst, denn die Zukunft der Werbung ist da und sie wird von Key angetrieben. In diesem Video werden wir den Prozess der Erstellung von Sternchen.
Now, you can see that our video has been translated into German. Now, to download our video, just click on this link where it says download, and the video will be downloaded on our computer. And that's a wrap on our journey into the incredible world of AI-powered video translation. If you are as amazed as I am by the limitless possibilities AI brings to language accessibility, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your fellow language enthusiasts. Let's spread the word and break down those language barriers together. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and embrace the limitless world of possibilities that AI brings on our fingertips. Goodbye, see you next time.